They must be taking us. Laurie, make sure you're thinking positively forward and the horse takes you. It has to be that conviction to the pace. That there's a purposeful nature to it all. Good. Okay, everybody stand up out of the saddle for a second. Everyone stand up. Stand up. Stand up out of the saddle. You're not allowed to touch your bum in the saddle for the next 2 or 3 minutes. On penalty of a mini Mars bar. I have a chocoholic sort of issue here. So you're not allowed to touch the saddle. Let the trots go. Come on, go more than that. Good. Don't do a rising trot. Don't do a posting trot. Big trot. Good. Harry, if you get too close, circle away. Laurie, if you get too close, just circle away. Cross the circle. More trot, Golly. Golly, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stay there. Stay there. Stand up. Stand up. Good. Keep the trots going. Go. Quietly canter. I saw that, Kerry. I saw that. Canter. 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 Stay light. Stay out of the saddle. Half that speed. Half that speed. Half the speed. Good. Right, go. Listen to your canters. Do they stay the same? That's getting too quick again. Good. 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 That's getting quicker. We'll do something. Good. 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 That's getting quicker again. Okay, girls, quietly, forwards to walk. Forwards to walk. Forwards to walk, close in. You can sit down again. Forwards.